You have already learned about Heron's formula. We know Heron's formula is used to find out area of a triangle when three sides are given. Now what is the application of Heron's formula? With Heron's formula, we can find even area of quadrilateral. Suppose a farmer has a land to be cultivated. He employs some laborers for this purpose on the terms of wages calculated by area cultivated per square per meter. So how will he do this? Suppose the farmland is in the shape of a quadrilateral and he know the four boundaries, that means four sides of the farm he knows, and he need to find area of this farm. So how he will do it? So for this he will divide the quadrilateral in triangular parts and then he use the formula to find out area of triangle. He can divide this quadrilateral into two parts, and if he knows the measurement of this side, then he can find out area of this triangle using Heron's formula. Similarly, area of the second triangle using Heron's formula, and he can easily calculate the wage that has to be given to the laborers by area cultivated per square meter. Now let us take an example. Kamala has a triangular field with sides 240 meter, 200 meter and 360 meter. We can take this as 360, 200 and 240 meter, and where she grew wheat. So here she is cultivating wheat. In another triangular field which is adjacent to the previous field, so one more triangular field is there which is adjacent to this field and with sides 240 meter, 320 meter and 400 meter. She want to group potatoes and onions. Now she divide the field into two parts by joining the midpoint of longer side, this is the longer side 400 meter, to the opposite vertex. So she divide this triangular field into two parts. In one part she is growing onions and in the other part she cultivated potatoes. So we need to find how much area has been used for wheat, potatoes and onions. Now we will use Heron's formula to find out the area that has been used for wheat, potatoes and onions. So let's first find out area for growing wheat. So this in the shape of triangle. We can use Heron's formula for that. First let us find out what is S. S is A plus B plus C divided by 2, which is equal to 200 plus 240 plus 360 divided by 2, which is equal to 400 meters. Now we will write the Heron's formula. We will substitute the value and find out the area for growing the wheat. So area equal to square root of S into S minus A into S minus B into S minus C, which is equal to 400 into 400 minus 360 into 400 minus 200 into 400 minus 240. Now we will simplify this. Square root of 400 into 40 into 200 into 160. So when you simplify this, you will be having 116,000 root 2 meter square. 60,000 root 2 meter square area is needed for growing the wheat. Now let us find out what is the area needed for growing onion and potato. So here side is 240, side for this triangle is 240 meter, 400 meter and 320 meter. So first let us find out semi-perimeter. A plus B plus C divide by 2, and then we will find out the area of this triangle using Heron's formula. So semi-perimeter is equal to, these are the sides, 240 meter, 320 meter and 400 meter. So when you add and divide by 2, we got 480 meters. Now we'll apply the formula square root of S into S minus A into S minus B into S minus C, which is equal to 480 divided by 480 minus 240 into 480 minus 320 into 480 minus 400. So when you simplify this, we have square root of 480 into 240 into 160 into 80. So which is equal to 38,400 meter square. But we need separately for the area cultivated by onion as well as potatoes. So the total area for this triangle is 38,400 meter square, but we need separate area. So I am going to divide this by 2. 38,400, if you divide by 2, we have 19,200 meter square. So area for growing onion is 90,200 and area for growing potato is 90,200. Now why I have divided by 2? Now is the area for these two triangles are equal. Here we have joined the line segment from the midpoint of AD, that is midpoint of AD is E. So we have joined the line segment from E to the opposite vertex of this triangle, that is C. So actually these two triangles have equal bases. AE is same as ED because E is the midpoint of these two triangles. So these two triangles have same base and the height of this triangle is also same. So area of this triangle will be half base into height. So these two triangles have got same area, that is why I have divided by 2. So we got area for growing potatoes as well as onion is 90,200 and area for growing the wheat we got as 22,600. So thank you for watching my video.